morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Science Classroom. Class 5, Term 3, Subject Science, Topic Air. Previous class, we have learnt about air pollution. In today's class, we are going to learn about effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects all living organisms, including man. It causes serious health problems to human beings and affect both plants and animals. It brings about lot of changes in the climate and environment also. In this section, let us learn about some of the effects of air pollution. First of all, we are going to see diseases. Air pollution causes several respiratory and heart problems. Many people have died due to air pollution. Air pollutants cause pneumonia and asthma in children. Next, we are going to see global warming. Air pollution results in the accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When gases like carbon dioxide are present in the atmosphere in large amount, they increase the atmospheric temperature. With increased temperatures, melting of ice and icebergs in polar regions and increase in sea levels are taking place. It affects the living organisms living there. What is acid rain? As we saw earlier, harmful gases like nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxides are released into the atmosphere while burning fossil fuels. When it rains, the water droplets combine with these gases and fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rains affects human, animals and crops. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone molecules are present in the Earth's stratosphere and they are responsible for protecting humans from harmful ultraviolet, that means UV rays. Chlorofluorocarbons released into the atmosphere by human activities deplete the ozone layer. Chemicals like chlorofluorocarbon, we can say CFC, which are used in refrigerators, spray cans and fire extinguishers have reduced the amount of ozone in the stratosphere. As the ozone layer is depleted, UV rays reach the earth and they cause skin and eye related problems to us. Marine life. Large amount of nitrogen present in some fertilizers is washed into the water bodies. They cause the growth of green algae in the seas. This is called eutrophication. This adversely affects the fish, plants and animal species. Effect on wildlife. Formation of the acid rain in the air damages fish life in lakes and streams. Rays from ozone layer with excessive ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun may cause skin cancer in animals. Rays from ozone in the lower atmosphere may destroy lung tissues of the animals. So, harmful substances present in the air affect wild animals. Wild animals move to a new place when the air is polluted. When their habitat is changed, they face extinction. So, next we are going to see prevention of air pollution. If the air pollution increases at this rate, then there will be no life on the earth in the future. If the air pollution increases at this rate, then there will be no life on the earth in the future. So, future generation will be affected very badly. So, we need to take some measures to avoid air pollution. Some of them are listed below. Now we are going to discuss prevention of air pollution. Major pollutants which cause air pollution come from automobiles. Using public modes of transport can reduce the rate of pollution. We also should encourage others to use public transport. By reducing the usage of fossil fuels for burning, we can save the environment. Using non-renewable energy resources like solar energy and wind energy instead of conventional energy can reduce air pollution. We need to reduce our usage. We can reuse or recycle few items. Switch off fans and lights when you are not using them. CFL bulbs consume less electricity. By using these bulbs, we can save energy. Planting more trees can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Save Earth to continue living here. Our planet has no alternate. Please save it. Thanks for listening. Thank you, children.